question, Dee Dee. How old a woman are you? I know it's impolite.
I'm almost 40.
I'm
almost 40.
So you're in your 30s. No, okay, so you're in your 30s. You're a young woman. You're half my age.
Yes.
So a young woman in her 30s and says, I basically started with nothing because I was in slavery and taken out of slavery, thrown into a capitalist system, and I've begun with nothing. I mean, you're talking about you, right?
I am talking about black people on a whole.
Including you.
Right.
Including you.
Including myself, yes. Including myself.
How does anybody believe that you were taken out of slavery and thrown into a capitalist society in 2023? How long? When were you enslaved?
Let me tell you why this is important. See, this is the point that I want you to get, right? It's easy to focus on the now. Oh, we're in 2023. Don't worry about that. Listen, I make good money, okay? But here's